The state of Indiana is now allotting millions more to local health departments. That's due to new legislation that was passed on Friday. Fox 55's Brianna Bias is live in studio to explain how one local health department plans to use that money. Bree?
Well, Tara, the state has promised a total of $75 million for county health departments across the state in 2024. And then in the following year, in 2025, that number will double to $150 million. And the Allen County Health Department says their piece of that pie could double or even triple their annual budget. Department Administrator Mindy Waldron was part of the commission that got this legislation passed in the first place and says they'll use that money for a number of things, ranging from new equipment to more staff to expanding their programs. And while it's not as much money as she wishes they would have, she says they'll try to steward it as they can.
How we'll likely handle a lot of these services is not do them ourselves per se, but we will be able to sometimes support other organizations that are already doing good work in some of these areas.
And some of the projects Waldron says she wants to specifically address are maternal and child health, disease prevention, and food protection. She says it'll probably take a few years before we see major improvements in those areas, but she hopes to make a positive progress every year. And she says they've been brainstorming for several months now on how to use that money, and so far they think the best thing to do would be to spread it across their entire department. That way they can implement a variety of programs that make a true difference. Live in studio, I'm Brianna Bias, Fox 55 News.